So this one's a bit different. I've got Poppy and Daisy, and they're twins, and it's their birthday. But just because they're twins doesn't mean they don't get a cake each, right? Yeah. So we've got this board at the back, which is decorated with strips of coloured fondant. And then we've got Poppy with the blonde hair on one, waving with coloured drip, and then Daisy on the other, waving with some more drip and lots of sprinkles and sparkle, and there we are. You can see around the back I've done just that round the back, just plain and simple. No one really looks at the back, right? And then I've used some letters to impress and then paint. I used white chocolate ganache for this strip, which I don't think I'll use again. The purple went really well. And then the pink started to fail on me. The green wasn't brilliant and the yellow went really runny and went over the name, but hey, it's a drip cake. So there we are. Happy birthday, Poppy and Daisy.